मुणकारीयल केशी प्राथमीक पावण्याचेर घेवन सोडयतले अशें महसूल मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरातान सांगले। ह्यो केशी बेगिनांतल्या बेगीन सुटाव्यो जावच्यो हाच्या खातीर आतां मामलेदार कार्यालयां जी आसा ती शेनवारा लेगीत उक्ती आसतली अशें बाबूश मोन्सेराताचें म्हणणें आसा। तशेंच सोनसड्यार पूर्व परस अंदू चड नितळसाण आसा अशें बाबूशान सांगलें। पंचायत चलो अभियाना खाला बाबूशान बेरेस्तारा मडगांवच्या लोकां कडेन संवाद साधलो तशेंच सोनसड्याची पळोवणी केली।
Munkarial cases, Munkarial tenancies cases are concerned on priority basis. Even on Saturdays now, basically Mamlada's office are working, and there has been lot. Even in the assembly, I have given a reply. There have been lot of basically speeding up of the work is going. पण एजंट जाता म्हणजे कितें जाता आता ह्या दिसांनी फोन केला आसतलो बिकॉज आता इलेक्शनाचे काम चालू. So I cannot basically we cannot rule above the election commission. So that is the reason those duties has been given to everyone. Even in fact municipality workers also have been given it. So we have
so I think plant visit करता किती difference.
आता तू डिफरन्स आहे सांगपाचे न्हू डिफरन्स सांगपाचे तुवें कित्याक गेले फाटी हांव केन्ना चार्ज घेतलो तेन्ना हांव हिंगा आयलो एंड दॅट इज हिंगा उबो रावून रावंक जायना ते सोड आमी हिंगा भितर भरलेले सगळे मुस्कां भितर भोंवूंक लागले. So you have seen the difference from that day till today. And this is the initiative basically taken. I think credit should be given to our waste management corporation as Mr. Levinson Martin and even the MMC. I think everyone should basically work in tandem for the because this was the health hazard.